Hi everyone, it's Jeremy from China League. I hope you are okay. Personally, I'm so excited because I just received this Mi-Stery box directly from Xiaomi. So I don't know what's inside the box and I can't wait to find out. So shall we start? The box is not that light, not heavy, but I don't really know what could be in it. Maybe... I don't know. I don't really know. So let's find out together. Oh, small card inside. Let's see it. Dear Mi fan, welcome to the era of 108 megapixel. We're very pleased to tell you that you're about to explore the secret behind a brand new Mi Note 10. Oh, that's the new Mi Note 10. It's well protected. Let's open it. Wow. Look at that, that's the Mi Note 10. Wow. Actually this phone was launched this week. I mean, it's not available in the store yet, so awesome. That's so cool. Let's see what's inside. Wow. Actually this phone has 5 lenses from the presentation that I saw this week. Let's see every accessory that we have inside. Right here we have the USB-C charger cable. This is the power adapter. Here we have a Mi Note 10 user guide and a protective case. I don't know if you can see it properly, but the screen is so big and the back is awesome. We can see the 5 lenses right here. Okay, I will try it for a little while, this way I can show you what it can do and also I will be able to tell you what I truly love about this phone. Alright, I've been using the Mi Note 10 for the past few days and now I can tell you what I truly love about it. The first thing that I saw when removing the plastic film was that beautiful 6.47 inch 3D curved AMOLED display. It also supports always on display function that you can customize to your will, and of course the on-screen fingerprint sensor that looks so great. This big and beautiful screen is perfect if, like me, you like to watch videos, read in bed or while you're outside your house. This is far more convenient and transparent than a tablet, but you can still have enough visibility to be comfortable for a long-time session of your favorite TV show. Of course, to power that screen you need a good battery. This phone has a 5260 mAh battery that make it easy to last for at least 2 days depending on your usage of the phone. And if it wasn't enough, it comes with a 30-watt fast charge power adapter that gives you the possibility to do a full recharge of the phone in less than 2 hours. And now let's go outside for my favorite part of the phone, the photography. The Mi Note 10 has 5 lenses to serve all your photography needs. 10x hybrid zoom telephoto camera, perfect to zoom in a scene, 12 megapixel telephoto camera, 2x optical zoom, perfect for portrait that gives you that nice bokeh on the back, but also to zoom in inside the scene. The 108 megapixel ultra-wide resolution camera, this is the main camera, and with this high megapixel resolution, it gives you the ability to zoom inside any of your picture without losing in quality. 20 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera, perfect when you want to cover all of the scenery or if you don't have enough space to step back. 2 megapixel macro camera, and in front the 32 megapixel selfie camera. Having all of these kind of lenses comes handy when you meet some new shy friend while walking around. You don't have to come too close to get some nice shots. You also have some very interesting modes to get creative. The Night Mode 2.0, the Shoot Steady video, or even the Vlog mode. You can choose between different presets, then shoot small videos like this. The phone will then add some movement effects, do the transition and add the music. Just like this. I don't know about you, but I do like the result. Alright, Xiaomi asked me in the postcard what is my favorite feature on the Mi Note 10. So after using it for the past few days, I think that my favorite features is the vlog mode, because it's not something that I saw on other phones before, and it's really easy to get some nice, cool, small shots that you can send to your family, that you can also post online easily without having to do the edit and the transition yourself. So it's really nice to use, it's really good, and I think that it could be a great thing for some people that are not that good in video editing. So yeah, I think I'll go with the vlog mode. Okay guys, thank you to Xiaomi for the Mi-Stery box, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.
Xiaomi.